You've probably seen those fighters on TV, lean, powerful, and moving with lightning speed. But have you ever wondered what really happens to your body if you take up boxing? It's not just for professional athletes. In fact, boxing has quietly become one of the most effective and exciting ways to transform your body and mind. The surprising truth? You don't need a ring or an opponent to start reaping the benefits. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscles, or simply feel mentally sharp, boxing might be the solution you've been overlooking. What if I told you that by dedicating just a few hours a week, you could burn hundreds of calories, strengthen your heart, and even combat anxiety and depression? Curious? Let's dive into the world of boxing and uncover what this powerful workout can do for you. Boxing as a full-body workout. Boxing isn't just about throwing punches, it's a full-body workout that engages almost every muscle group. From your legs to your core and even your shoulders, each punch you throw pushes your body into a dynamic flow of motion. It's no surprise that many fitness enthusiasts turn to boxing to build muscles and boost their overall fitness. Whether you're looking to build big muscles or simply maintain a healthy body, boxing offers a unique blend of aerobic and anaerobic training. The result? Stronger muscles, better endurance, and a noticeable pump that keeps you coming back for more. Beyond muscle development, boxing offers a remarkable cardiovascular workout that promotes heart health and burns a significant amount of calories. Depending on the intensity, a 1-hour session can help you burn between 400 and 700 calories, making it a powerful tool for weight loss. This high-calorie burn also jumpstarts your metabolism, ensuring you're shedding pounds even after you've left the gym. It's not just about getting fit, though. It's about boosting your overall health in ways you might not have imagined before. And let's not forget the impact on mental health. Boxing isn't only about physical benefits. It works wonders for the mind as well. The sheer focus required for each movement improves coordination and concentration. Plus, the thrill of pushing yourself in training releases endorphins, giving you that feel-good rush that wards off anxiety and depression. If you've been looking for a way to grow muscles while clearing your head, boxing could be the perfect addition to your workout routine. Potential for injuries. While boxing has a reputation for being a high-contact, risky sport, non-contact boxing provides a safer alternative without sacrificing the benefits. Training with a punching bag allows you to focus on building muscles, improving your fitness, and sharpening your coordination without the worry of getting hurt. For those just starting, it's an excellent way to ease into the sport while still enjoying the physical and mental perks. A solid pair of gloves and a well-structured workout can keep you focused on training, all while minimizing injury risks. Even though non-contact boxing is safer, the intensity of the training remains high. Each jab, cross, and hook you throw still requires full-body engagement. This not only helps in building big muscles but also improves overall gym performance. Incorporating boxing into your routine can lead to significant improvements in strength, balance, and agility. It's a workout that keeps you on your toes, literally and figuratively, giving you the edge in other fitness activities too. For those worried about degenerative diseases, boxing offers a surprising preventative benefit. The combination of aerobic and anaerobic exercise helps keep the body agile and flexible, reducing the risk of age-related muscle decline. While protecting yourself from injuries, you're also enhancing your longevity. Boxing becomes more than just a workout. It becomes a way to safeguard your health for years to come. Mental benefits. Boxing is as much a mental workout as it is a physical one. The concentration needed to time each punch, dodge, and weave keeps your mind sharp and focused. It's not just about building muscles or burning calories. It's about mental fortitude. This kind of focus helps improve coordination, making it easier to excel in other workouts and even in day-to-day activities. Whether you're at the gym or facing a challenging task at work, boxing teaches you to stay composed and efficient under pressure. One of the biggest mental rewards boxing offers is stress relief. The rhythm of hitting a punching bag or going through a boxing drill releases a flood of endorphins, those feel-good hormones that elevate your mood. Many people use boxing as a way to combat feelings of anxiety and depression, finding that the intense focus on training helps them clear their minds. It's a great way to boost self-esteem, too, as you feel stronger and more confident with each session. Additionally, boxing gives you a sense of accomplishment that's hard to find in other sports. Every time you step into the gym, you push your limits and get a little bit better, both mentally and physically. The satisfaction of seeing improvements in your workout, whether it's better endurance or a more defined pump in your muscles, feeds into a cycle of motivation. It's not just a workout. It's an ongoing journey of self-improvement that benefits both your body and mind. Calorie burn and metabolism boost. One of the standout benefits of boxing is its ability to torch calories. In just an hour of training, depending on the intensity, you can burn anywhere from 400 to 700 calories. This makes boxing one of the most effective workouts for weight loss and toning muscles. Whether you're in the gym, hitting the heavy bag, or going through a fast-paced boxing routine, each punch and movement forces your body to work hard, accelerating calorie burn and enhancing fat loss. It's a workout that truly maximizes every minute. The calorie burn doesn't stop when the gloves come off. Boxing gives your metabolism a serious boost, allowing your body to continue burning calories long after the workout is over. This afterburn effect is particularly beneficial if your goal is to build muscles while shedding fat. Incorporating boxing into your routine helps create a balance between losing weight and growing muscle mass, giving you a leaner, more defined physique over time. What's more, boxing not only helps with immediate calorie burn, but also enhances your overall fitness level. As you build endurance and stamina, you'll find yourself getting stronger and more resilient in your workouts. Your muscles will feel the pump, your body will become more efficient, and your confidence will grow as you notice visible improvements in your health and fitness. The connection between consistent boxing sessions and a healthier, stronger body is undeniable. So after learning all this, what's stopping you from trying boxing? Imagine feeling stronger, more confident, and energized, all while shedding pounds and boosting your mental health. The best part? You don't need to be an athlete to start. Whether you're at the gym or at home with a simple punching bag, the journey to a healthier, more resilient you begins with just a few punches. Have you ever thought about what a difference it could make to your life? How would it feel to have the body and mindset you've always wanted? I challenge you to take the first step today. Lace up some gloves, hit the bag, and see how boxing can change your world. And don't forget, if you want to keep learning more about how to stay fit and healthy, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. You're just one workout away from discovering your best self.